Oh, so cute. Should we scare her?
No. She's going to sleep. Maybe she has a water bottle.